Hey guys, it's Ariel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my little pit bike right here street legal. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I thought I'd bring it up and what I did to it to make it just like this. Alright, so first of all, to be street legal in the state of New York, you must have a headlight, blinkers, a mirror, tail light, headlight, insurance on the bike, and registration. So a lot of the wiring is actually underneath the seat, so I'm going to take that off. Alright, so what we're looking at here is basically the wiring harness. Some wires go to the taillights, some wires go to the headlights, the horn. Okay, so if we follow that, it goes underneath. This is the horn. We keep going up. We get to the headlight area and also the switches that are on both sides. In order to power the system up, you must have either a battery or something connected to the bike to bring power. So I bought this battery off of Amazon for 10 bucks and connected it, but the thing is, it sucks. You need to charge it. So every time I need to charge it, I connect it to this battery terminal that my dad has, and that connects everything. To turn on the headlights, I have to click the on button and then switch right here. Just push that up. And the headlight goes on. What's pretty cool about this switch, there's a low and then high beams. So, underneath that, we have the blinkers. Currently, mine are not working. I don't know what happened. Also, below the headlight, below the blinkers, we have the horn. So if we go to this side, basically it shuts everything off. But if we leave that on, and we go back to the tail light, you'll see that it is on. When I click on the brake, now having the brake light is a little bit harder to do because what came with the kit wasn't exactly for my pit bike, but what makes it great about this kit is even though it wasn't meant for my Coolster, I can still have everything run but with a little bit of a mod. So originally when you want to connect the brake switch, you want to connect it to the brake system where when the brake fluid goes, the pressure activates the brake light. Also, you could have it connected to the front brake, but I do not have that. So what I had to do was buy this little thing, and what's cool, I pull down, the brake light goes on. So that's what I did, and I just connected to the lever here, and it's half works. Now with the lights, it was a little tricky because the light didn't come with the kit, so this is an aftermarket headlight that I bought for maybe 20 bucks, and my boyfriend actually hooked up the wiring. I wasn't able to get it, so what he did essentially was he connected it straight to the battery, and then the on-off switch, I think it was the power or either the ground, he made it into the switch that's over here. The blinkers were pretty self-explanatory. You just plugged it in and wire it down. The mirror, right here. Mirror is pretty easy, kind of just hook it on. So that's basically how I got it street legal. It took some time. It took the effort of both my boyfriend and I, but I am really proud that I did a lot of the work on the bike. If you have any more questions, just let me know. But this is my Coolster 125cc.